everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And today I want to show you a technique that I call the bubble wrap technique. It's been around for a while, but it gives you a really cool background. And these backgrounds, you could use this just, I save these, and then when I need to, I just stamp a punch out and put a sentiment on it, and you got a really fast, quick card. What you need is, I'm going to be using the small bubble wrap, just like this, and you're going to need an ink pad. I'm going to use crushed curry. Let me bring you up so you can see this a little bit better. I'm going to use crushed curry, and then you need a piece of neutral cardstock. I'm using Whisper White. Of course, you could use, depending upon what color you have, you can use Very Vanilla or whatnot. You can even use colored cardstock on this one if you want. So I'm going to take off my crushed curry, and all I'm going to do is on the bubble side, I'm just going to, and again, this probably works really a lot easier with a full-size pad, but since in my trailer I only have ink spots, we will use that. You ink it up. And then what you're going to do, you're going to bring your piece of Whisper White and you're going to flip it over and just lay it on top. And there you have it. And again, this is just a great piece that you can just put onto a background on a card base, and have a bunch of these in your card stack in case you need a thank you, a birthday card, thinking of you, a get well, something that you can use one of your sentiments on, even a sympathy card. And these are always great to have around. Remember to follow me on YouTube. I would appreciate it, and I'd appreciate it if you help my small business out by shopping with me. All the information is down below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.